Hey there, this is Pratik from the WebHow, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do the color splash effect or the selective color effect in Snapseed. So first of all, open up your image in Snapseed, then go to Tools and then go to Brush and then select Saturation and set the saturation to -10 and then select the eye. And then you have to paint over the parts of the image that you don't want to be in color, so the parts of the image that you want to be in black and white. So for me, I want everything except the orange bag to be black and white, so I'm gonna just paint over everything except the bag. And you can go over the same spot multiple times to make it darker, so the desaturation will be better. You can double tap on the image to zoom in, and you can use two fingers to pan around. After you've done painting the part of the image that you want to be black and white, just click on this OK option. So a few parts of the image are still lightly in color, and in order to remove that, we'll be going to Tools, then Selective. So before we do that, what I'm going to do is make the bag brighter by increasing its saturation. So I'm just going to double tap in here and place the marker on the orange color of the bag, and then just swipe down to select saturation and just swipe right to increase the saturation. And the next thing we're going to do is decrease the saturation of the blue shirt on this guy. So just click on the plus button again and then place the marker on the blue shirt and then swipe down to select saturation, and this time we're going to decrease it. And you just repeat the same thing with the other parts of the image that are in color, and you'll be good to go. And this is how you do the color splash effect, or also called the selective color effect, on Snapseed. If you like this video and are interested in more videos like these, subscribe to the WebHow and also share this video to your friends who you might find this helpful. This is Pratik from the WebHow, and I'll see you next time.